Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about the TVS Jupiter 125 which is recently launched in Indian markets. So guys, there are 2-3 major changes in this scooter, so we will be discussing those in these videos. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and do hit the bell icon to get all the notification when I will post the new video. So without further delay, let's start the video. So starting from the front, here we will get the completely new headlamp. Earlier also in Jupiter we used to get the LED headlamp, but this time we get something different and something new design here. In the middle part you will see the TVS branding on the headlamp. Also we will get the TVS 3D logo here. Coming towards the headlamp, we will get the halogen headlamp here. Coming towards the front wheel, here we will get the 90x90 section 12 inches of tubeless tire, and this time the design of alloy is something different. Also we get the orange color reflector, and if you see, we don't get any kind of graphics on this scooter. So it is a completely clean and very neat and clean design. Coming towards the middle part and talking about the footrest, here you will see the footrest. It appears like it is rubber, but it is not rubber, it is a fiber plastic, and it is quite thin, and I think it will not last longer. Coming towards the rear, we can see that Jupiter 125 is written, and this is a 3D logo and it gives premium look to the scooter. And now talking about the engine, this scooter comes with the 124.8cc of engine, which will generate 8.15 PS of power and 10.5 Newton meters of torque. Also you can see that there is a rear suspension mounted above the engine. Coming towards the rear, we can see that in the rear we don't get any kind of LED lights. We get bulb indicators as well as bulb tail lamp. Also in the rear we get TVS 3D logo. Coming towards the right, we can see that in the rear we get 90x90 section and 12 inches of tubeless tire. Also if you can see, this is a chrome part. This is the only chrome part we get in the scooter on the silencer. Also now talking about the instrument console, we can see here a small amount of chrome above the meter, and this will continue from the headlamp. Talking about the instrument console, we get semi-digital instrument console here. So by turning on the ignition, we can see that on the instrument console we can see that we get side stand indicator, and on the digital part we can see that we get the clock, the fuel gauge indicator. Also we get the eco meter in the scooter, and there are buttons, the mode button, by pressing that we can toggle the trip A, trip B, and also we can see that we can see the fuel efficiency of the scooter, and this is a setting button. The best and the major change here TVS did is the external fuel filling option, and it is in the front. And now every time you don't have to open the seat and fill the fuel, you just twist the keys and it will get open like this, and you just fill the fuel, and there is no need to get down to your scooter. Talking about the buttons on the scooter, here you will get the low beam, high beam and passing button integrated, indicator and horn button. On the right side you will get self start button. Talking about the seat, you can see that there is a large space for the rider as well as for the pillion, and cushioning is quite great, and you will feel very comfortable while riding it in the city. And talking about the underseat storage, the underseat storage is quite great because the fuel tank under the seat has been taken out and applied on the front, so it is quite great. And here you can place the 2 full face helmet and other stuffs also. So this is quite the second major change you will get in the TVS Jupiter 125. So guys, this is all about the TVS Jupiter 125, and this is drum alloy variant, and the on-road price of this variant is around 95,000 rupees, which may get vary according to your state. So guys, what do you think about this scooter? Please do let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, make sure you do hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. So guys, we will meet in the next video with the new bike and the new information. So till then, thanks for watching.